Today we are going to discuss about Unit 2, First Standard, English. Lesson name is Playtime.
I like to play with Chittu. Do you like to play with your friends? Sky, tank, kite, tree, bench, girl, swing, bat, boy, top, slide, dog. Clouds, sun, gate, van, balloon, ball, marbles, bicycle. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, skip and run and turn around. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, hop and jump and turn about. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, bend and stretch and play a game. Come, let us play together and have fun.
The dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join in.
May I play with you?
But the game has started. Sorry, you are late.
The rabbit is flying a kite. The rat wants to join.
May I fly the kite?
But I have only one.
The monkeys are swinging on the tree. The rat wants to join.
May I play with you?
But rats cannot swing.
The frogs are playing hopscotch. The rat wants to join.
May I hop with you?
No, no. Only two can play this game.
The rat is building a sandcastle. Everyone wants to join him.
I will play alone.
Hey, look at that. A sandcastle.
Shall we join him? The rat invites everyone to play with him.
Let us play together. Playing together is always fun.
Okay, let's go to the exercise part. So the first one is listen and tick the correct picture. The boy is swinging on the swing. The children are building a sandcastle. The children are playing hopscotch. The girl is flying a kite. Circle the correct word. First one, swing. Second one, marble. Third one, ball. Fourth one, kite. Fifth one, sandcastle. Sixth one, bat. Okay, let's discuss the question and answers. The first one is who flies the kite? Answer is the rabbit. Number 2, who has a bat? The dog. Number 3, who builds a sandcastle? The rat. Number 4, who is swinging on the tree? The monkeys. Number 5, what game are the frogs playing? Hopscotch. Okay, here are some sight words from the lesson. I and with, you, me, may, can, no, yes, has, will. Okay, from the last lesson, I think we have done some of the sight words. So you can just brush through it, and the new sight words you can teach your child as we have discussed in the first lesson. So when we are teaching the sight words, it has to be the whole word. Only when it comes to writing, please teach with the spelling. Okay, let's do listen and read. So we have I, which says E. We have S, which says S. We have B, which says B. We have D, which says D. We have L, says L. We have C, says K. We have H, which says H. So let's start. I as in ink, idli. S as in sun, soap. B as in ball, bat. D as in dog, doll. L as in lemon, lion. C as in car, cap. H as in hut, hen. Okay, let's move on to blend and say, blend and read. Now here we have three different words. We have ip, we have it, and we have in. So let's start with ip. So the first one is we have ip and we are adding h sound to it, so it becomes hip. The next one is we are adding t or t to ip, so it becomes tip. The next one we are adding d to ip, becomes dip. Next is we are adding s to it, so it becomes sit. Next is we are adding h to it, becomes hit. We are adding l to it, it becomes lit. Then we have inwards. For in we are adding d, becomes din. For in we are adding b, becomes bin. The next is for in we are adding t, it becomes tin. Okay, let's read using this. So what we want your child to say is start the sentence with this. So the first picture is this is a pin. Okay, the next one is a picture of nib. So you have to start with this is a nib. The next picture is bin. So make your child say this is a bin. Then we have lid. So this is a lid. The next is ball. So make your child say this is a ball. There is a carrot. This is a carrot. So like this you can do many things. Whatever is there at home, make your child to start the sentence using this. The magic fish. It is a big sea. All the sea animals are white. There comes a colorful fish.
You are very colorful. Who are you?
I am a magic fish.
Can we become colorful like you?
Sure, I can make you colorful.
The dolphin wants blue. The magic fish shades it.
Blue suits you well.
Thank you, Magic Fish.
The crab wants orange. The magic fish shades it.
Am I beautiful like you?
Yes, you are very beautiful.
The seahorse wants yellow. The magic fish shades it.
You are pretty.
Thank you so much.
The starfish wants red. The magic fish shades it.
Red looks good on you.
You made me so. Thank you.
All the animals are colorful now. The sea is happy.
You look very colorful.
Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yes, we are very happy.
Sharing is caring.
Let's move on to match the following. Here we have given the correct answer.
Cricket, dogs. Kite, rabbit. Tree, monkeys. Hopscotch, frogs. Sandcastle, rat.
Fill in the blanks. Now we have already given the answers here. So you make your children learn the correct answer. So it is a big sea. I am a magic fish. The dolphin wants blue. The crab wants orange. Red looks good on you. The sea is happy. The next is opposites. White, black. Colorful, colorless. Like, dislike. Beautiful, ugly. Good, bad. Happy, sad. Okay, here we have fill in the missing letters. So again, answers have been given to you. So make your child learn the correct spellings. So the first one is gate. So Gate. So A is the missing letter. The next one is marbles. So in this Marbles. So we have two missing letters R and E. The third one is tank. Tank. So N is the missing letter. The next one is bench. Bench. So C is the missing letter. The next one is swing. Swing. So in this W is the missing letter and the last one is kite. Kite. So I is the missing letter.